हांव लॉरी ट्रवासो कोंकणी मोग्यांक, कोंकणी कांतारां आयकतल्यांक, कोंकणी तियात्र पळयतल्यांक, कोंकणी फिल्मां पळयतल्यांक म्हजो मायमोगाचो उनवनीत येवकार आनी नमस्कार. आदीस फुडें हांव तुमकां काळजांतान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, कारण ही आमची कोंकणी मायभास तुमी सांबाळली आनी जिवी दवरली हाचे खातीर. कोवीड दुयेंसाक लागून आमचो एंटरटेनमेंट म्हणजे कोंकणी प्रोग्राम बंद आसलो, तरी आसतना ऑनलायन आमी जायते प्रोग्राम केले, युट्यूबाचेर कांतारां घातलीं, तुमी आयकुलीं आनी आमकां बरी उर्बा दिली. आतां देवाच्या आशिर्वादान आनी तुमच्या आदारान गोंयान कोंकणी प्रोग्राम सुरू जाल्यात. तुजे परी हांवें म्हजे जायते कोंकणी म्युजिकल शो गोंयान सुरू केल्यात आनी ह्या फुडें तुमकां पळोवंक मेळटले. देखून खंयसरूय आमचे कोंकणी म्युजिकल शो म्हणजे म्हजे कोंकणी म्युजिकल शो आसात, थंयसर तुमी येवचें, पळोवचें आनी आमची बरी बरी कांतारां आयकुची, कॉमेडी पळोवची आनी तुमचो वेळ मौजेन सारचो. देव बरें करूं.
Stay home. Protect the NHS. Save lives.
UK Tiatristancheo Gozaleo पळयणारां सगळ्या म्हज्या भाव भयणांक माये मोगाचो नमस्कार. आमी हें चॅनल तुमच्या आदारान फुडें व्हेलां आनी तुमच्याच आदारान तें फुडें वचत आसा. आमी एका एपिसोडा फाटल्यान तुमच्या लागीं 2 प्रस्न विचारतले. देखून तुमच्या लागीं मागता, हें आमचें चॅनल UK Tiatristancheo Gozaleo पळयत रावात. तुमकां लायक जाल्यार ते लायक करात, शेअर करात आनी सबस्क्रायब करात. आनी एक पावट सगल्यांक तुमकां चड आनी चड रॉयल क्रिएटर्स हांच्या नांवान देव बरें करूं. सगल्यांक आनी एक पावट माये मोगाचो येवकार. रॉयल क्रिएटर्स घडून हाडटा UK Tiatristancheo Gozaleo हो युट्यूब चॅनल. आमी तोजूत केल्या बरे बरे UK नासलेल्या कलाकारांक तुमच्या मुखार हाडूंक. आयज आमी असला कलाकार तुमच्या मुखार हाडला जो गोंयकारांकूच न्हय, दुसऱ्यांक पासून तो आदार दिता. तो तियात्राक लायटनिंग करता खरो, पूण आख्खो तियात्राचो कारभार सांबाळटा. आनी तो दुसरो न्हय, द मॅन with the golden heart. सगळ्या तियात्रिस्तांच्या आदाराक पावपी Gregg Carvalho. Welcome, Gregg Bob.
Thank you, Bob. Thank you.
Gregg Bob, I know you always speak in English.
Yeah.
हांव तुज्या लागीं थोडे क्वेश्चन विचारतलो. I don't mind giving the answers in English. Is that okay?
That's fine. Yeah.
तयार आसा तूं म्हजे सांगात करूंक? Gozaleo?
Oi.
Gregg Bob, तूं UK खंयच्या वर्सा आयलो आनी UK येवपाचें कारण कितें?
ही गजाली जाल्यार जायती वर्सां. 1941 my father came to Kenya and he was working as a pharmacist. My mother came to Kenya in 1951. They got married and my elder brother was born in 1952. In 1954, my parents went back to Goa to settle down, but my father could not find any job, so he came back to Kenya and left my mother there because she was expecting me.
Oh,
so
right.
I was born in Goa in Madel,
Okay.
and I left Goa when I was 6 months old, and I was brought up in Africa. I only went back to Goa when I was 41 years old, so you can see I tried not to speak Konkani because people will just laugh at me.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
So I...
तुज्या लागीं जाता तशें तुवें उलयलें जाता. आमकां कांयच वायट दिसचें ना.
So I studied in Kenya and I worked in Kenya as a teacher and a headmaster, and then I migrated to UK in 1987 and I got married and I have 3 children.
Okay. Gregg Bob, ह्या तियात्र फिल्डान तूं केन्ना आनी कसो भितर सरलो?
हांव पयले सुवातेर 1972 हांव कांतार करूंक गेलो स्टेजीचेर
Okay.
in Kenya. And after that, I came to UK in 1987, and I was acting in every concert up to 1994. I was singing and acting.
Okay.
In 1994, the theatres in Kenya, in UK, stopped completely. There was not a single theatre for 6 years. So in the year 2000, we decided to form an organization that will support producers and writers so we can stage their theatres whenever they want. And we've been doing that for 14 years. So we've actually staged 14 theatres till 2014.
Okay.
But in between that time, a lot of other theatres were coming in. So we found that we were losing out because, as you know, local theatres do not attract audiences as the Goa theatres do. So I decided in 2014 to just stop doing the theatres and just concentrate on lighting.
Okay. Don't worry. तुका lighting करपाक idea कशी मेवली?
Okay, in Goan Cultural Society formed Kelo in November 2000. And every time we had a concert, we had to hire the lighting from professionals, and it used to cost us £300 a show. Not only lighting, even the sound system, we had to hire it, and that used to also cost us 300. So it was not possible to make a profit that time on this theatre. So what we did is we applied for a lottery grant, and we got £5,000 from the lottery grant, and we invested that in equipment, microphones, sound systems, speakers, wireless microphones, and lapel mics and everything. And we were doing concerts, making a bit of profit because now we didn't have to hire the sound anymore. But then one Tiat Mogi, he saw us doing this concert, and he said, look, I want to give you a donation of £500 to buy your own lighting. So with that £500, we bought our lighting. So we were not paying £300 anymore for the lighting. It was all free. We had everything ourselves. And from there, it picked up the lighting.
Okay. एकदम बरी गजाल. तू सगळ्या theatristank help करूंक सोदता. कित्याक लागून? Why is that?
I'm a helpful guy by nature. I'm not only theatrist. I help other people also. So when someone comes to you and says, look, can you please book this hall for me? It's difficult to say no. If they tell you, can you please do the lighting for me? I've never said no for lighting anyway because I really enjoy that. And then it went to, from that, it built up, and then you feel like helping them all the time.
Right. Even now, I go on to theatristank visa organize kutta. Then stickers for the chairs, handbills, tickets, ekdom bore. Ami zaite tuja upkari, Gregg Bab. Ami UK theatristank ekot sambalung tuka kite masin dista. UK theatristank ekot asa una.
There is no togetherness here, I think. A lot of them are competing with each other. Okay. And what's happening here is there are so many theatrists in this country, and this theatrist, it's difficult to give opportunities to everyone. So unfortunately, when we were doing Goan Cultural Society, we used to have the same actors, singers for every show.
All the shows. Yeah.
And then the audience got fed up. The audience said, look, it's the same people, why don't you change them? So we started replacing people by 3 in numbers, 2, 1 and all.
Okay.
And it was getting better, but what it is you need to have new cast all the time if you can.
Theater you practice, theater, and to your family life, how you handle it?
That's quite difficult.
I know.
The thing is that the theatrists don't have timing there, and they've got no commitment. This is the problem we have. What I do is they tell me, okay, we want you to come for practice on this day, that day, or we are having 3 shows. So my wife and all and children arrange different things, only to find out that the theatrist himself has changed the timings, the dates, and also I have to now cancel the thing. It's good my wife and children understand and they accept it. Yeah.
Gregg Bab, तुम्ही theaterचे light नाही करपाक UK बाहेर कितले पावट गेला?
I've been to 7 places so far. I've done lighting in Canada, in Germany, in France, Dubai, Kuwait, USA. UK, I've done lighting in Swindon, Southall, Hounslow, Wembley, Leicester, Palmer's Green, Wood Green. So it's quite a lot of places I've been to.
एकदम बरं दिसता ग्रेग बाब तुझ्याला बरोबर गोजाले करपाक आणि तुका आमकां चड खुशाल काय बगली तुका आमच्या स्टुडियोन हाडपाक आणि तुज्या लागच्यान 2 उतरां आयकूंक तुका कशें दिसता आमच्या सांगाता गजाली करूंक?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah?
It's good. Yeah, I enjoy my life around the theatre.
Theatres,
It's quite a
absolutely.
fulfilling life.
Okay.
You know, you enjoy the.
आता ग्रेग बाब आम्ही आता थोडी गजाली मारल्या उपरांत
Yeah.
we'll go
Yeah.
we'll move to a second round
Okay.
which is a game.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
ग्रेग बाब हो आता आमचो खेळपाचो
Okay.
प्ले राउंड
Yeah.
ओके प्ले राउंड म्हळ्यार असो हांव तुज्या लागीं इंग्लिशीन एक सेंटेन्स विचारतलो
Okay.
तें तुवें म्हाका कोंकणीन सांगपाचें
Okay.
जातलें तुज्या लागीं भिये नाका
Try kotolo.
बार्दूर जातलें तें ओके आर यू रेडी
Yeah.
म्हजें पयलें सेंटेन्स तुज्या लागीं
Okay.
I love you, my loving daughter. Why you don't love me in return?
हांव
me to
तुजो
repeat it?
मोग कोता म्हजे चेवर तूं कित्याक मूज मोग कोना
ओके आतां हांव तुज्या लागीं एक इंग्लिशीन क्वेश्चन विचारतलो न्हू
Yeah.
तुवें ताचो आन्सर म्हाका दिवंक जाय विथ एंगर रागान दिवंक जाय
Okay.
ओके वॉट आर यू डुईंग कम हियर
तूं कित्याक कोता हिंग यो
bread seller is a troublemaker. He doesn't give us bread. A comedy भाशेन सांगूंक जाय
एक पोदेर एक पोदेर जोगणीं कोता तो हांकां पावोंक दिना
करता तो तूं comedy. Everything in UK is become very expensive.
यूके म्हारगाय येयली सोगल्यांक
Alright? This COVID-19 has caused trouble to everyone. God bless everyone.
हे कोविड-19 सोगल्यांक त्रास पोला देवाचें बेसांव पोरोंक सोगल्यांचेर
एकदम बरं answers. Great. Hi there, episode पयलो प्रश्न तुमकां ऑडियन्सान ग्रेग बाब आता आमी गेम केवल्या तुका कशी लागली Did you enjoy it?
एकदम बरी I enjoyed it very much. Yeah, thank you.
आता आमी तिसऱ्या भागान या तिसरो भाग म्हणजे तुवें तुजे फॅमिली बॅकग्राऊंड
Okay, yeah.
tell us something about your family background.
Okay, my father was born in 1912 and his name was Jose Francisco Carvalho.
Okay.
He worked in a hospital as a pharmacist.
Yeah.
My mother was a housewife, Dorotea Piedade Estela Matutina Carvalho. Yeah, it's a long name. Yeah.
Older now.
My elder brother was Camilo Remedios Carvalho. He's got 4 children. 2 of them are doctors. One is a computer analyst and the other one is a businessman. And my name is Gregorio João Mateus Carvalho.
How is?
And I'm married to Lourdes Carvalho.
Okay.
My wife works for the local Harrow Council. I used to work as a chief accountant for a multi-million company.
Yeah.
I have 3 children. My eldest is working in a hospital. She's a dietitian. My second daughter works in an auditing firm as in the actuarial department, and my son is a business consultant.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. My eldest daughter is Angela Maria Carvalho. My second daughter is Charlotte Sabrina Carvalho,
Okay, and
my
son
is John Matthew Carvalho.
Okay. Don't worry. Very good family background. And तुझी माई, म्हाका दिसता तुझी माई अजूनपासून आसा.
Yeah, my mom is still alive. She's
Because I've seen you celebrated her 80th birthday.
90th birthday.
90th birthday.
Yeah.
एकदम बरें. आता तुझी मामी खंय आसा?
My mother is in a home. She was the council had come and taken her, and they said she cannot stay on her own. She has to stay in a home.
Okay.
She didn't want to stay with us, so we just left her in the home.
Okay.
But they are taking good care of her. In the homes in The homes in UK are not like India, I think. Here they look after you
I know,
really
yeah,
well.
yeah. ग्रेग बाब आमी जायत्यो गजाली मारल्यो तुवें तुजे फॅमिली बाबतीन आमकां जायती माहिती दिली एकदम बरी तुमची नांवांय एकदम बरी आसात आनी एकदम व्हडली 2-2, 3-3 नांवां आसात तुका कशें दिसता आमच्या सांगातो स्टुडियोन
Yeah, it's very nice.
You like
yeah,
it?
yeah. This is something we should have done in UK a long time ago, and I'm glad that royal creators are doing it.
Yeah,
This is
thank
fantastic.
you.
Yeah.
Thank ग्रेग बाब हो आमचो चवथो राउंड म्हणतो रॅपीड फायर राउंड
Okay.
क्विक आन्सर्स
Yeah.
आनी हो आन्सर दिवपाक तुका फकत 3 सेकंड आसात
All right.
आर यू रेडी
Yes.
Your time starts now. तूं माजोर जाल्यार खंयचें नुस्तें खातलो
Kingfish.
तुजें नांव बोलूंक सोयक मेळ्यार तूं कितें नांव घालतलो
John Fernandes.
तुजो आवडीचो नंबर कितें
6.
तुजो खंयचो भोंवडेचो जागो तुका आवडटा
Pass.
खंयच्या जेवणाचो डीश तुका चड आवडीचो
Biryani.
तुका आवडीचें मांस मीठ कसलें
Beef.
तुजें शॉपिंग तूं चडशें खंयच्या जाग्यार कोत्ता
Sainsbury's.
तुजो आवडीचो लायट खंयचो
Spotlight.
तुका पयशे जाय जाल्यार गरज पडल्यार तूं कोणा लागीं मागतलो
Bailicore.
तुजें आवडीचें बॅड वर्ड कितें
Pass.
तुजें आवडीचो तियात्र खंयचो
Dice.
तुवें कोणाक पयली गाडी मारलेली
Pass.
तुज्या हातान सुरी दिल्यार तूं कितें करतलो
Mask atutolo.
तुजें बोट नाकाक लावंक जाता
Oi.
एकदम बरो दिसलो रॅपीड फायर तुका कसो लागलो तर आतां आमी फुडल्या भागान या ह्या एपिसोडाचो दुसरो प्रश्न तुमकां सोदल्यांक दोनूय प्रश्नाचे जबाब सारके दिवचे आमच्या कमेंट बॉक्सान तूं आमच्या स्टुडियोन आयलो आनी आमची दोगांयची बरी गजाली जाल्यो तुवें बरे आन्सर्स दिले ताका लागून तुका चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी सोंपोवच्या आदी तूं आमच्या ऑडियन्सांक कसली मेसेज दिवंक सोदताय
हांव एकू मेसेज दिवन सोदिता आमी आमची मायभास आनी संस्कृताय सांबाळूंक जाय आनी सगल्यांक तुमकां देव बरें करूंक म्हणटा रॉयल क्रिएटर्सांक आनी UK आनी तांचो YouTube चॅनल UK Tiatristancheo Gozaleo आनी बाब एंड्रू देव बरें करूं
थँक्यू ग्रेग थँक्यू व्हेरी मच तुज्या सांगात गजाली करूंक एकदम बरें दिसलें आमचे रॉयल क्रिएटर्स तांणी टीम घडून हाडल्या ते तुका स्टुडियोन हांगासर आयलो तुजो मोलादीक वेळ पिड्यार करून देखून त्या तुका एक मोगाची भेट दिवंक सोदता ती हांव तुका आतां भेटयता
Stay home. Save lives.